Oh my god, look at that! Ah! They're so straight looking! Ah! I don't have the wire on. Because I have to go. Well, I'm getting them tightened today, but I have to get them cleaned and I have to get a cavity filled. Which sucks because I hate cavities. Because I hate the stupid needle. Because it's so small, but then you put it in the gums and it gets all numb. And then it just feels like it's this freaking big and it's going into your face. That just hurt. I just hit my mouth. But yeah. The sound works now. Because I didn't click the right microphone last time because I'm a dummy head. They're so straight and pretty and big and ooh, look at that. Look. Okay. Well, pretty much all I was saying yesterday was that I'm sorry that I haven't been on. I've been really busy. I don't know why, but I've been really busy. And I have SAT testing, whatever you want to call them, California Standards Test, whatever, on Thursday, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, so that's sort of, whew, you know. But yeah. But I'll get videos soon, and summer's coming up, so that'll be cool, and I'll have more videos. And yeah. Okay. If you have any suggestions, message me, or comment, or whatever you want to do. Okay. Thank you. 210, 11, I don't know, it keeps going back and forth. Subscribers. That is pretty freaking awesome. I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you all. Music is tasty for the soul. Tasty soul. I'm so not an idiot. I promise. Look at him.